Okay, welcome everyone to another Monday Night at the Beat. We're on our marathon. This is week 4. I believe we have 2 more weeks approximately. And this is a shout out to Morro Bay and SLO. We were just there, and this class was very inspired by the work we did this weekend. And what is the idea? If we had to make 2 choices for this class, what were those 2 choices?
Ocho or not to Ocho?
Good, yes. To Ocho or to make a side step, specifically in a turn to the right or to the left. We did, because the theme is what for the whole series? Transitions. Yeah, we could add a transition of embrace from close to open. But more importantly in this class, even if there was no transition, what were we focused on? The axis, and what kind of relationship between the leader and the follower?
Mirroring or matching.
Mirroring. In a turn, what's the relationship?
Earth and moon.
Yeah? Okay. Let someone else answer. That's good.
Earth
You know all the questions. Yeah. Earth and moon. If no one answers, you can say something. And so what does that mean when you have the leader being the earth, the follower being the moon? In a turn?
Follower goes around the earth.
Okay, so we're focused on the leader's axis, right? And the leader needs to be clear. You are coming around my axis. I'm pulling you. Followers are holding on and letting them pull. So what does that mean with your steps?
Who are you talking to? The
The followers, yeah. Why don't you go ahead and take over for the followers' steps?
Followers. So if we are doing the hero around the leaders, but before that, when we are holding on to our leaders, which arm are we holding on with? Both arms. Yeah. So when we are following the hero, we are focused on whose axis followers? The leader. We're walking around them. And what kind of walking steps are we making around them? What is the quality?
Equal distance.
Equal distance. And this analogy of what?
Fire and ice.
Fire and ice. It's usually the way we're walking or the way we're stepping is ice. That means we have control in our reach. We have control in the transfer of weight. We have control on how we're collecting. And then the fire has something to do with our hips or our Ocho factory. That when we feel a pivot coming, we need to be able to activate those hips and pivot strongly. Yeah? And enough. Okay, Homer.
I just asked them to be a little quiet. Okay. So for the leaders, what's our focus when we're about to lead an Ocho versus a turn?
Whose axis?
Her.
If we're going to lead an Ocho.
You put follower on her axis.
Leaders, are you still rotating your spine when you're leading an Ocho?
No.
Yes!
In fact, you're rotating it to the same direction as you would a turn. That's where a lot of problems happen. And that's where we start using our right hand to kind of guide our partner around her axis. But if you time it right and the follower is making a nice step, okay, you can engage what part of her body?
Her core, her spine, her
Yeah,
core,
her spine, what do we call it?
her Ocho factory.
Yes.
Oh,
Exactly,
yeah.
the spiral, the Ocho factory. Okay, so followers want to develop that, and that's ready to go. That's like what? Fire or ice?
Fire.
And the step is?
Ice.
Okay, all these beautiful analogies. So this is one of the biggest issues in tango, is to make this Ocho happen versus a side step. If you have the embrace, fine, you can block it and contain it or shape it. But to be able to do this as more advanced dancers from using this position, from the spine idea, from timing idea, is a whole other level of dancing. It just gives you more, okay, it enhances your dance. And we recommend that you, as teachers, we're giving you these tools to work on for next week. Okay, I guess that's it. We'll do a little demonstration. Look at how often we go from turns to Ochos. And we will also probably go from open to close embrace often. To go back to close embrace, what am I doing? Yeah, tilting towards my partner at the right moment to close the book if we're coming from an Ocho. So obviously if I want to open up, I have to hang back at the right time. So if you're ready for that kind of stuff, you can watch that.
Siento que me pegas, saber que te hice mal.